Hi folks, welcome back. I'm Lynn with PFM Arts, and for today's Fab Find Friday, I somehow made it through the week without buying anything, which is super weird, but good job for me. What I wanted to show you today is, and also make an announcement, is I have started to put together junk journal scrapbook packs based on themes. Now, each of these themes has over 70 items in it, and I've done a little bit of color coordination, put in some different pieces of ephemera and stickers and ribbons, and some different kind of papers. So I just want to go through these quickly with you guys, just so you'll see what they look like. And the announcement is that we will be opening up an Etsy store starting on the 1st of August. And that's where I'm going to list these things. So I'll just go through these quickly with you. So got some different kinds of ribbons and some laces and some small rickrack, large rickrack, some baking twine, some fancy rickrack, this, and some of the skinny ribbon. So all those ribbons. Oh yeah, and then the big fat ribbon. Some little just cardboard, and these are actually very thin cardboard beach theme. This is actually the beach themed one. I probably should have started with that. Got some paper clips in here, and there are more buttons. They just got mixed in here somewhere. Got some different types of stickers and some cardboard, cardstock rather, punch outs. This is a piece of vellum. Here's some different mulberry papers. And I will just run through this real quick because otherwise it's going to be really, really long. Okay, so phone call, writing paper. This is cardstock weight of designer scrapbook paper. This is thin paper weight designer paper. Same for this. This was writing paper. Same for this. Make sure I'm getting it all on straight. This is cardstock. Also cardstock. Grid paper. Dot paper. Hand-dyed notebook paper, and all of these papers are hand-dyed by me. Regular copy paper, hand-dyed, and another, there's a button, and another notebook paper hand-dyed. This is hand-dyed copy paper, hand-dyed by me. A couple of envelopes in here, 3 of them, a time card, guest check. I don't remember what game this is from. Is this from Bridge? Well, whatever. Several different types of receipts. There's my other buttons. Several different types of receipts and invoices. Some tickets. Glassine bag. A piece of onion skin Korean dictionary page. A ledger page. Flashcard. Playing card. These are scrapbook pages. I believe these are 8 by 8. They might be 6 by 6. I don't know what kind of paper this is. It's not cardstock. It's not, I don't know what it is. But it's neat, and it has a texture on it. This is some of the bar cards. I just thought the images were really pretty. Here are some book pages that had some cute sayings in here. Vocabulary cards. Some more of that same weird textured paper, but I really liked it, so I included it. Same with this. Got another dictionary page. This is a different dictionary page, and this was from I think it was a seven language dictionary. Anyway, I thought it was neat. And this is a book of quotations, and this is just a regular book page and a coloring book page. So all those items, and then for every item that I sell, I will also include a free gift. This one in particular has some folded papers of the designer paper that I showed you before, and also some tabs that I punched out. So there's that one. And let me just scoot this out of the way quickly. And I will go on to no, I have a rainbow theme, but I didn't bring the rainbow theme up here. Rainbow theme is very similar. But instead of the beach things, obviously it's going to be rainbows, but the colors are all in the same color combinations. I somehow messed up and only brought another beach one, but anyway. But all these will be packed like this, and they will come in the cellophane bags, which I'm not really a fan of using the cellophane bags. but in the same sense, I don't want the items to be damaged. And so there's actually a large cellophane bag, a medium, a small, and then an extra small cellophane bag on here. Oh yeah, the beach and the rainbow ones will also have washi tape. I actually had to order some new washi tape because I didn't like the colors that I had. I didn't think it coordinated well enough. So I did order some more, and I'm pretty sure you can't have too much washi tape, but I have a thing for washi tape. We've already talked about my problem. I still haven't sought help. Okay, there we go. All right, so this is how it's packaged. And this theme is I think I called it like a gothic spooky theme, but the general contents are the same. There's some hand-dyed paper. This one has doilies in it. There's buttons and paper clips and 2 rolls of washi tape, one thicker and then one thinner. And they all kind of coordinate. This one has weird skeleton things on there. Is that coming through the camera? I can't see. Yeah, okay. So that's the wider one, and here is the skinnier one. All the ribbon and lace are on this one card, wrapped up really, really nicely. And some of the smaller items are in here, and the medium items are in here, and obviously the large pages are in here. These gothic ones, at least the first 10 that I made, have music pages in them, and these are also hand-dyed. There are also other hand-dyed pages in here, and this is hand-dyed doily as well. So I just wanted to go ahead and make the announcement. So Fab Find Friday, not something that I bought, but something that I put together, and that our Etsy shop will be open as of 1 August. I'm very, very excited, and it's really, really fun for me to put these packs together because I like trying to match stuff, and I have different themes that I work with. So I just wanted to offer it to everyone else. That's it. Hope you guys had a great day. Bye.